Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Lexus steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts. Make sure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and the front wheels are pointing straight ahead. This alignment is crucial for reinstallation. Gather your tools, including a ratchet, various extensions, and a Torx bit set, as these will be essential for the process. Next, we'll focus on safely removing the airbag module. Look for the two small access holes, typically on the sides of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver, gently push into these holes to release the spring clips holding the airbag in place. Once the clips are disengaged, carefully pull the airbag module forward. Disconnect the two electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs, then set the airbag aside in a safe face-up position. Now let's detach the steering wheel itself. You'll see a large center bolt, usually a 19mm size, holding the wheel to the steering column. Use a ratchet with an extension to loosen and remove this bolt completely. Before pulling the wheel off, it's a good idea to mark the steering wheel and the shaft with a pen or marker to ensure perfect alignment when you reinstall it. Then, gently but firmly pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. When you're ready to reinstall, reverse these steps carefully. Make sure all electrical connections are secure and properly seated before reconnecting the battery. Torque the center bolt to the manufacturer's specified foot-pounds to ensure it's safely secured. Always double-check your work. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.